everybody, once again, welcome on a food adventure around the world from Stockholm. Today we will travel in Panama, and then I'd like to invite Andres. He's the ambassador, the Panama ambassador here in Stockholm, and then he opened his house to show us the delicious Panama food.
Hello, Luis. Welcome to the Panama residence here in Stockholm.
Thank you so much to invite us to be here. And then what will you do for us today?
Well, Luis, today I have the pleasure to show you a little bit more of the Panamanian cuisine. So we're gonna do chicken rice, and on the sides we're gonna do temptation with plantains.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Why did you choose this dish for us?
Well, because this is a very common, it's very easy to prepare. You can find ingredients everywhere, and it's the perfect Panamanian menu for parties.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to follow me on my YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. I will put the link here for you, okay? And now, I'd like to invite Andres to use our April. It's on a food adventure around the world from Stockholm.
Oh, thank you. It's very good. Let's just get to truck.
I can fix this.
Just help me here.
And then we have here all the ingredients. We need to separate these ingredients. It's called mise en place. It means set up all the ingredients to prepare this delicious dish.
Okay, Luis. So actually, to do our chicken rice, we will need 2.5 cups of rice. We need 6 pieces of chicken. We will get here olive and capris. We will get mixed vegetables, powdered onion, garlic powder. We will get tomato paste. We will get vinegar and also a little bit of soy sauce.
Oh, okay. We can start.
And of course, salt and pepper, and of course, vegetables. It's always delicious. So we got some pepper and some parsley as well.
We will put all the recipe for you in your link, okay?
Okay, Luis. So our first step is to prepare the chicken. It's very important because we are gonna use. This is the base of our plate for tonight. So we're gonna put some water over here. Then we're gonna add our chicken.
Let's just help you here
Sure.
because this. And then I know you like cooking, no?
Yes, I love cooking, and actually this is very traditional, inviting friends. It's very easy as well to do it. So once we put our chicken in water to boil, we will add the garlic in powder, the onion in powder. We will add some kikik as well, a little bit of seasoner, chicken seasoner. We are using powder because at the end we are gonna use these same liquids to make our rice. So it's very important that we mix them all very well.
To have the flavor there.
Yes, exactly. So we need to add, let's just put this around here. We can just add some onion as well. It doesn't need to be perfect cut because at the end we're gonna take it out. It's just for a little bit of flavor.
Okay.
So we're gonna separate this over here. It will be until it boils, so it will take basically around 20 minutes.
Oh, perfect.
Okay? A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're gonna cover it.
Okay.
So now, Luis, in the meanwhile, our chicken is ready. We're gonna just cut in slices our pepper and our coriander. So we got everything ready. So when we're gonna mix the rice, okay?
Perfect. If you need some help, I can cut for you.
Yes, sure. Chicken is ready.
It smells so good.
Yes, so we're just gonna separate the chicken, and as I told you, we're gonna reserve the liquids because
Okay.
it's what we're gonna use to do our rice. So we're gonna take our chicken.
Can I help you?
Yes, sure. And we are gonna reserve this liquid because this is the liquid that we're gonna use to do the rice.
Okay.
Now what we need to do is that we need to shred the chicken.
I can do
Okay?
that for you.
Okay, sure. And here we can see that we already, while our chicken was cooking, we shred our peppers in dices, and also the coriander is ready, the onion, the celery. So we got everything ready just to start our chicken rice very soon.
Okay, I finished this one. What do you
That's perfect, Luis.
Okay.
It's just as we need it.
Perfect.
Okay, so we are ready to start?
Yes.
Sure.
Today I am the helper. The helper, I can say?
Yes. Let's have the kitchen assistant, which is
Yes.
sounds a little bit better.
The kitchen assistant.
So let me have now the celery.
The celery.
Yes. It's time to add our chicken. Okay. Let's add half first. I'm sure you're gonna make it. It's very easy. You just need to follow the steps, and you will see that soon we will be enjoying our chicken rice.
And then I will invite you.
Definitely, I will be more than glad to taste it. So once our chicken is mixed with the salted, we are gonna have the soy sauce. Can you pass it to me? And the tomato sauce. Soy sauce. Now we are gonna add some tomato sauce. Okay, Luis, so it's time to bring our rice.
Okay.
So let's just go ahead and add the rice over here. We're gonna add 2.5 cups of rice, and now we are gonna use the magic liquid that we use for our chicken. So we are gonna use first half. Now we're gonna mix it just to make sure we got the proper amount. Okay, Luis, so now we need to give a little bit of color. So we are gonna add an ounce of vinegar, just, you know, to neutralize the flavors. And we are gonna add a little bit of colorant as well. So as you see, our rice is starting to dry up. Look.
Oh.
Now it's time to add the greens. So we are gonna get we can get the vegetables, the mixed vegetables, green peas and carrots. Also, we are going to add the olive and the capris. And we are going to mix. So after we put all the ingredients, you see that our rice is almost done. So we just need to let it finish cooking and dry. So before covering it, I'm gonna use a secret that we use in Panama, which is the leaf of the plantain, which will maintain the flavors inside. So we are gonna put this leaf over here. And
We can find this one here. In
yes,
Stockholm.
we can find it. There are several Latin American markets in which we can get it. You can do it without it, but it maintains the flavor
This is
very
the-
well.
the
Yes,
secret.
the traditional way. Yes.
Okay.
So we are gonna cover it, and we are gonna lower the temperature of our stuff, and we are gonna let it finish cooking.
We have two dishes. Now, while we are cooking the rice, and then we'll do the Plátano tentación.
Plátano and tentación, yes.
Plátano and tentación.
Yes, for
What
our
does it
English
mean?
speakers, it's plantain, it's ripe plantains, and we're gonna need ripe plantains. We got 5 pieces today. We got 2 cups of brown sugar. We got some cinnamon. We got some butter, and we got a magic ingredient that I will tell you later what it is.
Okay.
So to start, we will just get our plantains, and we can put it like in 4 pieces, you know? So the first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna add our butter.
Melt the bottom.
Yes. So once our butter is melted, we're just gonna fry the plantains. So you're gonna just turn them. You see they start getting a golden color, which is the color that we want.
Okay.
Once they are totally fried, we're going to proceed to add the rest of the ingredients. So we already turned them around. We're gonna let them a little bit there until they get golden color on the next side, and then we are going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. So you see they start having that delicious golden color. So we're gonna add now our sugar, the cinnamon, we're gonna mix a little bit, and we are gonna start adding some water. So a caramel will start to cook. So now the secret ingredient that I had over here, Luis came up with a nice idea. I add a shot of rum, so we're gonna flame it to make it different.
Look. Oh, it's so nice this one. Very good, isn't it? How long it needs to be here?
It's going to take around 15-20 minutes maximum.
Okay.
Once it's caramelized. So we already have like 6 minutes. We can just wait 6 more minutes. So our rice is almost ready.
Looks delicious and
It starts to get dry, and it has a really good color and really good smell. So we are gonna add the coriander, and let's add now the tall onion. We call it cebollina in Spanish. Do you have this in Brazil?
yes, we have. It's. I really like to use.
It's very common. You can find it everywhere. And we will just cover it for maybe 5 more minutes.
I'm very excited to try this one to taste.
I really hope you like it, eh?
I think I will.
We're gonna put our secret leaf over here. And 5 minutes ready, 5 minutes later, it's going to be ready, our rice. Our plantains are almost done, as you can see. The sugar has melted and they are very caramelized. They have a really nice color,
Yes.
as well as they have a really, really nice texture. So this is ready. So our food is ready. I'm gonna try to serve it Panamanian style, you know. So you can just come and see our rice. It has a perfect color. Look the leaf. It can even give you a little bit of taste.
I'm so excited.
You know, this is grandmother styles, which they will cover it. Let's see if I'm not a professional in this, but let's see if I can get it.
You can.
Well done. Our plate.
Oh. Now.
So let me add you some plantains so you can taste it together.
Maybe you can.
And a little bit of sauce, of course.
Now it's time to taste this one.
Okay.
Delicious dish. Let me see. We need to eat together.
Yes, you can eat it together, you can eat it separately.
Okay. Yeah. Once again, I'd like to say thank you to you to show us this delicious dish, and then I hope you enjoyed this recipe I will put there, and then see you next video. Bye bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.